Nana Tink Treasures here, back again. If you're new to my channel, welcome. What I'm going to do is redo the Christmas tree. It needs cleaned up, it needs new lights, and needs washed. I'm not sure if I'll, once I clean it up, see how it looks, and put some new lights in it. I might leave it the same color it is. It's green with the white snow on it. Christmas is done and past. But I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to clean it up and maybe next year we'll use it. See what happens. So I'm going to take you along for this ride and see how it goes. I have no idea how it's going to work out. On a side note, when I give it a shower, you'll get to see my awesome shower. Everybody that sees my shower, they just fall in love with it. So stay tuned. That's the beautiful tree. If you can see, there's some lights on it. There's a lot that we're missing. And there's the base. Now I did buy extra lights. That's why I'm going to work on this now. I got these in the mail just this week. Ordered those. So we're going to get to this and take the tree to the bathroom and give it a shower. That's the first and foremost. Okay, sorry, my dryer's going. Let me shut my dryer off just for a minute, and then you won't have to. Yeah, this is my bathroom, so I'll show you my shower real quick before I get started. That's the blue lights. It's a pretty awesome shower, actually. It's a jacuzzi tub, has jets, and there's also water shoots out of these jets on the side. Water shoots out of these. This is a foot massager, comes down into the tub and water shoots out of it. That's the top, water comes out of that. It has the blue lights. And it has a radio, it has a phone, it has a steam. The steam comes out there. That's a steamer. So yeah, it's a pretty cool tub. That's right, take a nice hot long bubble bath. Turn the music on, turn the blue lights on, everything else is dark. Yeah, that's a nice shower. That's my shower tub, whatever. And I'm gonna put the tree in there and give it a shower. Be right back. Hope you can see okay. I think you can. That lighting looks a little yellow. Okay, excuse my back, but let's see. Yeah, I think you can see that tree in there. And we have a handheld shower too, so that makes it nice. Grab that, take it to the other room. Hopefully not break it. It's already looking 100 times better. If you can see that top, I'm not sure, I think that might be broke, but I can fix that. I can make it work. still dirty. That's what you get for 50 years of sitting in a garage or wherever it was, collecting dust. The awesome and a rag. Guess the shower just took the first layer off. Well, I'm sure you don't want to just sit here and keep watching me just clean this thing. So what I'm going to do is pause it, really get it clean, scrub it again, and we'll come back to it after I do all that, because I think I'm going to let it sit for about an hour. I mean, that's filthy. And that's after I scrubbed it in the shower, you've seen. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Catch up with you later. So I'm back now. I actually washed the tree. I did it, cleaned it 2 more times in the shower, and all the stuff is all gone. It's all cleaned up now. It's all good. Ready to go. It came out really nice. I like that shininess. I did start putting the lights in. Now I did some research. I was going to glue these lights down with hot glue. But then I was reading that really, if the lights fit, you just place them in there like that so that you can easily take them out. So I'm not going to glue them down. I'll put them in and see if I have enough lights. Then I'll just take them out, store it without them until next year. Because these do fit very nice in these holes. They a little bit snug so they don't loosely fall out. But I think it'll work just setting them in here, because what happens is you put a light bulb in here and the light bulb shines up through and it makes it look like all these are lit up. In the actuality, they're not lit at all. So I'm not going to glue them, just trying to separate all the colors. Enjoyed this. Just a little bit of something different while I'm trying to get other videos up and running for my eBay. What I buy, what I sell, how much you sell it for, how much I pay when I buy it. Yeah, so that's it. Looks pretty good. Got a little switch here. Can turn it off. Oh, you can see the difference now when I turn it off and turn it on. Pretty lights, and that's how it works. That bulb reflects up through those. It looks like these lights are on, and they're not. Just plastic. I'm sure everybody knows how that works. So yeah, that's the tree. Oh, this is a good find. This is a treasure now. I think this is a good treasure. Hope you enjoyed this little segment. Maybe learned something. Probably not. Wasn't much. Wasn't hard to do. Just clean it up a little bit. Get some new lights. Good to go for next year. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Come back again.